Unraveling Idioms. Understanding bats in the attic. Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore what it means when someone says they have bats in the attic. Idioms like these can be puzzling, especially for English language learners, but they add color and depth to the language. So, let's get started and unravel this intriguing expression. The phrase, bats in the attic, is a colorful way to describe someone who is behaving in a strange, erratic, or crazy manner. It's important to note that this phrase is informal and usually used in a humorous or light-hearted context. The imagery of bats flying chaotically in an attic suggests a lack of order or reason, similar to how a person might behave or think when they're not making much sense. The exact origin of bats in the attic is not clear, but it's believed to be a variation of the older saying, bats in the belfry. This older phrase also refers to someone with an eccentric or confused state of mind and alludes to the image of bats flying around an old church belfry in a disordered manner. Over time, attic may have replaced belfry to give the phrase a more modern feel, as attics are more common in houses than belfries. When using the phrase, bats in the attic, it's crucial to ensure that the context is appropriate and non-offensive. It's best used among friends or in a casual setting. Here's an example of how it might be used in a sentence. Did you hear that Uncle Joe is trying to invent a machine that turns rocks into gold? He must have bats in the attic. Remember, while idioms can add flair to your language, they should always be used with consideration for the listener's feelings and the social context. English is rich with idioms that convey a similar meaning to bats in the attic. Here are a few: off one's rocker, lost one's marbles, not playing with a full deck. While each of these phrases has its unique twist, they all communicate the idea of irrational or nonsensical behavior. And that wraps up our journey into the phrase, bats in the attic. Idioms like this one make English a vibrant and expressive language. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful expression and perhaps even brought a smile to your face. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the rich tapestry of expressions that give it flavor and depth. Happy learning, and we hope to see you in the next video.